We have it cram-packed in here. Here are our plant signs ready to go when we plant more things in the spring. This is something I use to water. Over here we have this pegboard with our rakes and our shovels. We have some clear coat varnish, which is going to be stained for our picnic tables. We were going to stain them today during the workday, but it was way too windy. Down here are some baskets full of decorations for the windmill and some tools for when we stain, and this is some fertilizer when we get new vegetables. Over here are our scissors for pruning and our little baskets to collect things like when we clip our herbs. Back here are some green wire mesh that we're going to make a mulch pile out of, and this will be the perimeter. Our wheelbarrow, and inside is the bird seed that I use to fill up the bird feeders. And over here, this bucket is full of gloves, and this bucket is full of hand tools for when garden club's working. We have our watering cans up here, and we have bug spray and fertilizer, and this is food for a hummingbird feeder. We have some other decorations, and this was the cloth we used to protect some of our vegetables during the winter. That is also our thermometer, but I had to take it down because of the wind. That's what's in our garden shed out on the playground.